welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Makayla and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review slash tutorial look with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Dual Effects Wet and Dry Shadow Palette. This palette has a lot of really pretty colors in it, so if you guys want to see how I feel about this product and how I got this look, continue watching. So I'm finally able to try this out for you guys and let you know how it works. I bought it back when I did my unboxing video. I'm even going to try like the wetness on my brush for it to see how well they do with all that, just because I know some eyeshadows don't do well getting wet. So we'll see if this is actually made legitly for that. Alright, so first I'm going to prime my eyelid with this Too Faced Shadow Insurance primer. I haven't used it. I don't usually use eyeshadow primers, but we're just gonna go for it today because that sounds like a good idea. So this one has more of like a shimmer to it. Okay, both of my eyelids are primed now. So now we are gonna jump into this palette. So this is all the pretty colors that come in this palette. They're super cute. It's nice. They have a bunch of different options in here. I'm gonna try to go more on this side because I always use pinks and everything. So I'm gonna attempt to not use so much pink, or even at all maybe. And I'm gonna try to use these other colors on the darker side of the palette, I guess. To start with, I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush, and the first color I want to put on my eyeball is, I'll do this brown right here. We're just gonna put that in the crease. Yeah, these don't have names, sorry guys. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Alright, so that is the crease color. Next, I'm going to go in a little bit of this green color, and I'm just going to put that right below. Alright, so far, these colors are blending super well together. They're pretty pigmented. You don't need like a crazy amount of them. They look pretty together. Alright, now we're going to test the wetness. I'm just going to take this little spray here. I'm going to brush a little bit. I'm going to go into like this super bright orangey color, and I'm going to put that on my lid. So that is it wet. I think that definitely made it a little more pigmented than the other two colors. It does kind of clump it up a little bit more though when you get it wet. The eyeshadow gets a little more thick. That's the only thing about it that's kind of weird, but it's like way intense. Do you see that? So pretty. And now I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of that green. Just kind of blend the colors together. Now I'm going to take this brush and spray it as well and do the orange underneath because the other one's not thin enough. Alright, the next color that I'm going to take is this pinky color right here. And I'm just going to kind of like use it on the inner corner of the eye. I'm just going to take a little bit of it up in here. So, this is my eyes so far. Now I'm going to add eyeliner, and then I'm going to connect the brown color to that. Next, I'm going to take this first brush, like I said, and just blend out the brown. So now I'm going to put on my lip liner. Lip liner on, and then for my lip color today I am using the Bunny / Graveyard Girl and Tarte collab in Texas Toast. It's one of their liquid lipsticks. It's a really cute color, so that is what I'll be using on my lippies. And it smells good. Alright, now I'm just gonna line my lips real quick. Alright, so my lippies are on. Now we need to glue on our eyelashes, because eyelashes just complete everything. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. So that's what that looks like. The eyeshadow did really well with the whole being used with like a little wet brush. It didn't like ruin this one at all. It didn't like make it all gross. I've had eyeshadows that I have done that before with, where I've gotten the brush wet and then I put it in there and it like destroys it and gives it that ugly like texture film over the eyeshadow, and I cannot handle it. I like my makeup to stay like really pretty and perfect and whatever. I don't like it to look like it's really been like used, even if I do use it, I guess. I'm just weird. But yeah, so this did really, really well with the whole, excuse me, Athena. Anyways, this did really, really well with the wet and dry, like it is supposed to. So that is a legit thing that they are advertising for this palette, which is awesome. The colors are just insanely pretty. They all blend together really well. They're super pigmented, so you don't need a whole bunch of it, which is awesome. When you do get your brush wet and you layer, it's pretty intense the first layer you do, but the second, if you do a second layer, it's like really intense. This palette is awesome if you guys want to try it out. I know there's a different colored one. I just wanted a little more variety in color. I think the other one is more like neutrals only. So if you guys like neutrals only, that's a good palette to check out. It is all shimmer. So if you don't like only shimmer and you want some mattes, this is literally every single color in this is shimmer. So if you're a matte kind of girl, this is not a palette I think you would totally love, but you could purchase it and just kind of use it as like highlight colors maybe in your looks. So great palette. You guys should check it out. I'm not sure how much it is. We can check that out for you and put it in the corner, so you'll know how much it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys.